Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Bitcoin reached my target area that we talked about already on the weekend. And this target area, as you might remember if you watched the previous videos, is the white box on the chart. It's defined between $69,921 and $75,107, whereas this is rather on the extended side of things. The 1.618 extension is more of a stretch target there at 75K. But the area between 69,920 and 73,000 is pretty much a realistic target area for this C wave to the upside, which is moving within wave B in the yellow count. The yellow scenario, as you might remember, is the preferred scenario. Yeah. So the idea is we're dealing here with this A, B, C structure in the preferred count, in which A wave bottomed on the 20th of March, B wave is unfolding right now, and the C wave is still outstanding. It's all going according to script at the moment. Due to the green candles we've had today in the market, a lot of people asked me, could it be that the entire wave 4 is already in? That all of wave 4, this entire correction is likely a wave 4. So the question is wave 4 already in, or is it still unfolding? Yeah, surely it could be in, absolutely, but it's the less likely scenario. It's not the preferred scenario. And the reason is that, don't forget, this rally here after the 20th of March, this rally between the 20th and 21st of March, this was only a 3-wave corrective rally. Not 5 waves, because it's only a 3-wave rally. This move up is clearly not impulsive. So yeah, for sure, it could turn into a diagonal again, but that's just not the most probable scenario. So I've, however, added the white count, the white microstructure, which would show you what, which shows you what would need to happen for a 5-wave pattern to the upside, which parameters need to be respected, and so on. For example, let me take you through it. So the yellow count is the preferred one, obviously, but let's talk about the white one at the moment, in which a wave 4 bottomed here. That was on the 20th of March. Wave 1 in an ABC structure formed and topped. The wave 2 bottomed. The wave 3 is likely unfolding and should reach 73K at least, better higher. Then a wave 4 oftentimes comes down to the 100% extension level again, around 70K. And then we could get another wave 5. And this would be a 5-wave pattern that could take us into the 80K region. Absolutely. But the movement to the upside doesn't look impulsive at all. It rather looks like a diagonal structure or a larger correction. So therefore, I don't have a strong leaning towards the low is already in. But if anybody used our recent support zones, and there were 2 here, maybe 2, I think, to maybe add positions, like here we hit the 23.6 fib level, and then I had a support zone for this pullback, which was completely filled out. I've taken it off the chart now, but it was completely filled out. But what I wanted to emphasize is, if anybody built positions, it might be reasonable in the current environment to maybe take some partial profits at least, Maybe just take some Satoshi profits, some sats some sats as profits, but and that's just because the risk is getting higher now. We have rallied into resistance. We have rallied into the larger red resistance zone. We are basically nearly done with this B wave corrective rally. I still think another 4-5 pattern is needed in wave C. And in the yellow count, obviously this is an ABC structure. The C wave is a 5-wave move, but also the C wave is not impulsive. Looks like a diagonal in which we completed so far 3 waves. It might be that we started the 4th wave and we could get one more high in wave 5. So if we zoom in a little bit, you can see that the market topped here around the 78.6 retracement level at 70.7K, and I've adjusted the support area accordingly based on the length of the 3rd wave within wave C of B, and the support area is between 69,321 and 66,538. And as long as we maintain in or above that support area, I would anticipate a continuation of the rally, possibly to 73 or even 75k next. However, if the price breaks below 66,538, which is the golden ratio level here, of the orange support zone, I would start to assume that the top is already in, that the B wave has topped, which I don't prefer at this stage, but that we're coming down in the C wave. If the C wave to the downside has started already as per the yellow count, well, the yellow count suggests another 4-5 pattern, but it's possible it's already unfolding, we just don't know yet. Then a key target would be the 100% Fibonacci extension level. It is at 58.8k. So it's just worth watching if we break support or not. At the moment, I would expect one more high in wave C of B. Yeah, that's my update about Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.